You'll need a bowl, a spoon, any type of PVA glue. You'll need hand cream, any type of clear PVA glue, Barbasol shaving cream, I got mine from Walmart, coconut oil to make it glossy, food coloring, in this case I'm using purple/pink, a container, borax water. Now add in your glue to your bowl. However much glue you add is going to be how much slime you make. Now mix the glue a little bit to get it activated. Now add in a little bit of water. Now mix the water and the glue together. Now add in some hand cream. Now mix. Now add in some shaving cream, but not too much. Now add in your clear PVA glue, but not too much, like a teaspoon. Now add in a little bit more water. Now add in a little bit of the coconut oil, but not a lot. Now mix. Next, take your food coloring and add in a couple drops. Now add in a couple teaspoons of the borax water. Now knead the slime a little bit and then you're done. So my slime was still a little bit sticky, so I'm adding in some more borax water and then kneading it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you made a good slime by following this recipe. Make sure to subscribe and like this video and comment for more video ideas. In the next video, we'll be having a special guest. Bye!